Good afternoon. Today, Mr. Hall and myself are going to talk to you a little bit about perimeter and finding the missing length or the missing width of a given shape. Mr. Hall is going to start off by drawing a rectangle. This is very similar to number 9 in lesson 60. On his perimeter, he's going to give himself 30 inches all the way around, but there's going to be a piece of the puzzle that's missing. On top, it's measured as 8 inches as the length, but we're supposed to find the width. To figure this out, we have to understand that 8 inches on the top means 8 inches on the bottom. Now that Mr. Hall found that both lengths is 8 inches on the top and 8 inches on the bottom, he's going to add them together. When he adds the two 8s together, he finds out it's 16 inches. This is very important because we're going to use what we know and subtract it from 30 to find a missing number. When you subtract 16 from 30, and Mr. Hall regroups and borrows, he finds out that there's 14 inches left over for the sides. But it can't be 14 inches on one side and no inches on the other, or 14 inches on the left side and no inches on the right. What he does now is he splits that 14 inches and distributes it evenly amongst both sides. In order to do that, he's going to take 14 and divide it by 2. 2 into 14 gives us a magic number of 7. Each width is now 7 inches. We can put that 7 in on each side and then walk around the block adding to double check our answer. 8 plus 8 plus 7 plus 7. Using compatible numbers, Mr. Hall knows that 7 and 7 is 14 and 8 and 8 is 16. He can then add his 14 and his 16 to double check, and he has 30 once again, which matches his original perimeter. This is an example of number 9 on lesson 60, Mathemagical.